myself Vinod Panara, and in this lecture we discuss about program on function and scooping. Okay. Then first program, write a Python function to find the maximum of two number. Now we know that the main advantage of function in a Python, that is code reusability. So in this program, first step, def maximum a and b. So def, that is a keyword which represent a function, and a maximum, that is function name, and in the parenthesis a and b. So these two are formal argument. There are mainly two type of argument, formal argument and actual argument. So here this A and B, that is formal argument. Okay. Now inside the function, if A is equal to B, if A is equal to B, then print both number are equal. And remember this double equal sign, that is used for equality. Remember this one. So if A equal to B, then print both number are equal. If first condition is not satisfied, then go for elif condition. Second condition, check A greater than B. If this condition is satisfied, then return A. If second condition not satisfied, then go for third condition, and here third condition is else condition and it is default condition. So in else condition, return B. So check first condition. If it is satisfied, then answer is first print statement. If it is not satisfied, then check second condition. If it is not satisfied, then only check third condition, which is here default condition, else condition. Okay. And at last, print the maximum number is maximum and 33 and 43. So at last, this maximum 33 and 43, that is function calling. So without function calling, there is a no output generate. So this last maximum 33, 43, that is function calling. And this 33, that is equal to A, and 43, that is equal to B. So this 33 and 43, this is actual argument. And in first step, A and B, that is formal argument. So there are two type of argument, formal argument and actual argument. Okay. So in this program, check if condition, then check elif condition, and then default condition is else. Okay. So if we run this program, then output is the maximum number is 43. Okay. Now this same program we run on a PyCharm. So first def maximum AB, def, that is one type of keyword. And in Python, there are total 33 keyword are used. Keyword, that is also known as reserve word. And this keyword, that is useful to represent some meaning or functionality. So this def keyword, that is used to represent function, starting of function. And maximum, that is function name. AB, that is formal argument. Then check for first condition, check for second condition, check for third condition. This if, elif, else, ladder. Okay. And at last, print the maximum number is, then function calling, and it is compulsory function calling maximum, and inside the parenthesis 33 and 43. So without function calling, there is a no output. Okay, so it is compulsory. So if we run this program, then output is the maximum number is 43. Okay. Then second program, write a Python function to sum all the number in a list. Now list, that is one type of data structure which contain heterogeneous element. Okay. And what do you mean by function? If a group of, for example, if a group of statement that is continuously repeated in our program, then we make one unit for this group of statement and we use that unit at every time. It is effective way. So that unit, that is called function. Okay. Now second program, that is write a Python function to sum all the number in a list. Then first step, that is def sum numbers. Here def, that is one type of keyword, sum, that is function name, and in the parenthesis numbers. Then inside the function body, total is equal to 0. This is initial value of total, initial value. Then for x in a numbers, for x in a number, it means total numbers. Total is equal to total plus x. So this loop continue for all value of x. Total is equal to total plus x. For example, there is a one list which contain three elements, 1, 2 and 3. So first x is equal to 1, it is transfer here, and what is initial value of total? It is 0, it is transfer here. So 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1, and that is value of this total at the end of first iteration of loop. Okay, now for second iteration, x is equal to 2, it is transfer here, and what is value of total? We use total value of previous iteration, not this 0 value. Then in previous iteration, total value is 1, so 1 put here. So 1 plus 2, it is equal to 3. Okay, so at the end of second iteration, total is equal to 3. Now for third iteration, x is equal to 3, then it is transfer here, and what is value of total in previous iteration? It is equal to 3. So 3 put here, so 3 plus 3, it is equal to 6. So this loop continue for all value of x. Okay, then return total. So final total, that is return. Okay. Then print the sum of number in the given list is. Then function calling sum, and here is a one list which contain 10, 2, 3, 1, 7. These are the element of list. So function calling, that is compulsory. Yeah? Okay. So if we run this program, then output is the sum of a number in the given list is 23. Sum of all element of list. Now this same program we run on a PyCharm. So same program, def sum numbers. Def, that is one type of keyword, and sum, that is function name. Then total is equal to 0. This is initial value of total which is used in a first iteration only. Okay. Then for x in a number, total is equal to total plus x. So this for loop continue for all element of x. Okay. Then return total. So this final total, that is return. And then print the sum of number in the given list is sum, and there is a one list. So this is function calling. and function calling is compulsory. So here sum and there is a one list 10, 2, 3, 1, 7. So this is function calling. Okay. So if we run this program, then output that is the sum of number in the given list is 23. 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 7. 23. Okay. So this is about today lecture. In this lecture, we discuss about two example of function. Okay. So thank you for today lecture.